Hey everybody, how all you are doing? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to talk about something that's been around for ages, but I just found out about it. And that is steganography. So, have you ever wanted to send a secret message without anyone knowing it's even there? Well, in today's video, I'm going to dive into steganography, the art of hiding data inside images, audio, and even videos. By the end of this video, you will learn how to conceal and extract secret messages using free tools. Now, your question might be, what is steganography? Well, this thing isn't new. It's been around for like centuries, since the ancient Greece, where messages were tattooed on shaved heads and they were hidden under regrown hair, or in World War II with invisible ink. But nowadays, we can hide messages inside images and stuff like this, files like this, using clever techniques like the least significant bit manipulation. I found this article, and maybe this would help you guys create an idea of steganography. So, what is steganography? It is defined as the art of hiding messages inside media files. In other words, it's a way in which we can hide any messages, text, image, audio inside any file. This helps make sure that only those who know about the presence of the message can obtain it. Now, is it a big problem for companies? Well, yes. This can be a really big problem because it is really easy. It's a really easy way to get sensitive information out of the organization without detection. It is easy to download steganography software for embedding files like contracts or client lists into any image that looks common, maybe the company's logo, and then take it out of the company without anyone noticing it. So there you go, you have two images which look similar to the eye of a human, a person, but the first image here is an image without any modification, and the second one is an image after embedding a list of names, emails, and cell phone numbers. And I will show you how to do this later in the video. Now, to do this yourself, you will need three things: a cover file, which could be an image or an audio file, a secret message, which is a simple text file, and the steganography tool, which I'll be using StegHide, and this is a free, powerful command line tool. So first of all, I'm just searched for an image, and I'm gonna choose this. I'm just gonna download it, save this image, and I will name this cover image and save it on desktop. And after that, now as you can see here, there is the cover image and there is the secret text file. All you guys need to do, all you guys need to do for this is open the text editor and enter a message, whatever you guys want, save it on the desktop, or yeah, on the desktop. It's easier to have it on the same directory where the file is, and yeah, then you guys have the first two things ready. Now all we need is this steganography uh, software. So now you will need to run this sudo apt install StegHide. I've already done it, I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again, but you guys just press enter the password, and then just let it download. Also, I'm gonna let you guys know, so if you, for example, someone has a Linux machine or a Linux operating system, and they are sending, let's say, this image with the embedded file to someone that has a Windows, well, you might ask, how are they going to check the uh, embedded file for the secret message? Well, to install StegHide on Windows, you will need to use Chocolady. So you will, on PowerShell, you just type choco install StegHide, and press enter and let it download. Once it is installed, we will hide the secret message. Now I have a file called coverimage.jpg and a text file with my secret message. I will open it just to show you guys what is in there. So this is all there is in there. And now to embed the message inside the image, we need to run this command. So first of all, we need to go to the desktop because that's where the image and the uh, secret message is located. And on that directory, we will run this command. Now, what does this do? This is the command that we use to embed the secret file into the cover image. Uh, into the cover image, and this last part here is the password that we set. So when we create or when after we run this command, and if we want to look at the embedded file, we would need to enter a password first. And if you were to send this to a friend of yours, then they would need to know the password if they want to open the secret message. As you can see, here it is done. Now I will run this command. Just to show you guys that nothing changed, so the image looks exactly the same as it was. Even though we now have embedded the secret file in it. Now let's extract the hidden message. But before we do that, I'm going to delete the secret message. And I will show you guys why I do this. Now, in order to extract the secret, we will need to use this command. So it is StegHide, extract. Route extracted data to secret. As you can see here, we have this secret file that was created even though we deleted it. If we open it, then here it is. Here is the secret message displayed. But if I didn't delete this secret file from from the desktop, and if I were to run this again, you guys would see this. The file secret does already exist. Override it? Yes. Route extracted data to secret. So if I were to type to cat secret, you guys will see this. So in order to not overwrite it, because you guys might have another file named something and you don't want to overwrite it, I deleted it. However, there is another way that you guys can just print the secret message on the terminal, and that is you just need the command that we just did, but you just need to write as xf and add this at the end. And when you press it, then the secret message is straight displayed on the terminal rather than either catting the secret file or going to the desktop and opening the file yourself. Now you guys might ask, what if I send this image with the embedded file to a friend of mine that is running Windows? Well, the first step for your friend to open the image and extract the secret message is to install StegHide, which I told you guys earlier in this video how to install it on Windows. And then you would need to go to the directory where you downloaded the image, which usually is the downloads directory. Keep in mind that all of this is you're writing this in command prompt. The next step is to write the exact same this exact same command, the same that we wrote on our Kali Linux machine, and this will extract the file. And I'm assuming since you are on the downloads directory, you would just need to print an you would just need to write an ls, and you will see the name of the file that's extracted, but the terminal will let you know the name of the file, so you can just go type name of file dot txt, doesn't really matter, just name of file, and you will see the secret message. Otherwise, you can, if you want to see the message in the terminal, just write this, the same as in our Kali Linux machine, the same command, just write it on Windows, and you will see the message appearing on the uh, terminal. Now, you guys might be wondering, how do we know that an image has an embedded file or not? Well, unfortunately, without a password or the right password for that image that has the embedded file, you wouldn't really know. But there is a command that shows you that there is an embedded file in the image that you're checking. So if you run this command, you will see this cover image, format JPEG, and the capacity, whatever. Try to get information about the embedded data. Why? The passphrase is the password. So once you enter the password, you will see the embedded file is secret. It is encrypted and compressed. Now, what if, let's say, you lost the password or something like this? I don't know. Well, the only thing that I could think of is, you know how there is a file that contains like 13 million passwords or something like that, like the ROQ.txt, or I think it's called? Well, you can use that to just brute force it and see if one of the passwords relates to the password for this image. Other than that, I wouldn't really know how to check if the image has an embedded file or not. But yeah, this was pretty much the video that I had in mind. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity content. Until then, see you next time.